Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G41. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter Settings. And enter Display. In this menu you've got all your display settings. Let's start from the top of the list, where we've got brightness level. Then dark theme and night light. Next we've got adaptive brightness, styles, and wallpaper. Then we've got full screen, where you can manage apps that has to work in full screen mode. Pick display, see interactive notifications and quick information while your screen is off. Screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, auto rotate screen, colors between natural, saturated, and color temperature between cool and warm, font size between small and largest, screensaver, display size, lock screen settings for notifications on lock screen, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, and show lockdown option. Then we've got attentive display, prevent the screen from dimming or going to sleep while you're looking at it. Then we've got 3-finger screenshot, swipe to split, and screen record, where you can change resolution and size of your screen record. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.